And on this note, welcome to this announcement video for the Wii Series League 2021 and some other upcoming stuff. Here's the overview with timestamps. And we'll start with the first announcement.
First, what is this Wii Series League all about? In a nutshell, it is a brand new way Wii Series speedrunners can compete against each other. This long-term tournament will start on January 1st, 2021, and, like the title suggests, go through 2021. The announcement explaining how every detail, including the entire rule set, works is going to be the last part of this video, but in short, we will have 3 games each month to compete in, and points can be obtained by doing well. No worries, you will not need all 12 games or a Wii U console just to compete.
Thanks Lugia for taking over this section. Now we come to this other stuff, because I want to present to you the new website WiiSeriesSpeedrunning.info. The site is currently under construction and most stuff I did so far on it is behind the scenes work that you cannot see. But to give you an idea what it is about, it will feature general information about all Wii Series games and, most importantly, a wiki for everything regarding speedrunning these games. If you want to contribute to this project, stay tuned for more information that will be shared on the Wii Series Speedrunning Discord server. In addition, you can find Wii Series related bounties there, and it will be the place the leaderboard for the Wii Series League will find its place after the first month. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, a detailed look at the Wii Series League 2021. In the upcoming year 2021 we will have 12 rounds, 1 round per month, and 3 games will be featured each month, so let's take a look on how these games are selected. Let's just do an example. Here are all Wii Series games except Wii Fit, because just like on speedrun.com, Wii Fit Plus and Wii Fit are treated as one game. About 1 week before each round starts, I will take a look on speedrun.com and sort the Wii Series games by most active and put the 11 games in these 3 groups. Group 1 consists of the 4 most active games. Group 2 has games placed 5th to 8th in it. And the remaining 3 games make up the 3rd group. Now Group 1 goes inside the box and the first game is drawn. Then Group 2 goes into the box alongside the 3 remaining games from Group 1 and the second game is drawn. And lastly, Group 3 goes in as well and the last game is drawn. And there you have the 3 games. However, there is one small exception. If all randomly selected games are the 3 Wii U titles, then the least active Wii U game is taken out and replaced by a random Wii title. By the way, each game is guaranteed to appear at least once in the 12 rounds. If one game did not get drawn and the game selection for the last round takes place, this game will get the 3rd spot in advance, and so on. After the games are chosen, I will announce them to the moderator teams for these games, and then it is their task to select a category. This can be an existing one or a brand new one. And on the start of the next round, meaning the first day of a new month, this category then gets published on the game's speedrun.com page. The category names will start with WSL for Wii Series League, and all runners can submit their runs like they would with every other category. Make sure to read the rules, of course. Please note that you agree that your speedrun.com name and everything related to your run, for example a link to your video, will be published on WiiSeriesSpeedrunning.info. You can only submit runs during the respective month. Even if you do a run within the month, it has to be submitted before the month ends, UTC-12. If the chosen category already exists on the speedrun.com leaderboards, then you are not allowed to submit a run you submitted prior to the respective month to the normal category. After each round, every runner earns points depending on their performance. I will come to the point calculation in a moment. You can submit to more than one category each month. However, at first you will only receive points once, namely your best score for the respective month. But your score in not counted games still affects everyone else's score in these games. This procedure is the same for all 12 rounds. At the end of the year, the best 10 scores of each runner are added together to give a final score. If a runner submitted runs in less than 10 rounds, but submitted multiple runs in the same round, Then the best so far not counted point values get included, so the runner can have 10 scores in total. However, these in retrospect included scores are multiplied by 0.8 before they get added. And I think it is self-explaining that the runner with the best total score is the winner. One question still remains: how are the points calculated? Well, I hope you like math. Let's have an example while I take you through this step by step. I will visualize it as good as possible. Here we have a coordinate system. Time is on the x-axis and scores are on the y-axis. For orientation, let's just put sometimes on the x-axis. What I did not tell you so far is that the game moderators not only select the category, but they also give a set time that will mark the 10 points barrier. Let's put it in here. This time should be set in a way that almost every runner will be able to achieve a time better than this in a few tries. Now there are two possibilities. One, the slowest time submitted is the same or a time better than the time set by the moderators. In this case, this slowest time will finally mark 10 points. 2. The slowest submitted time is worse than the time set by the moderators. In this case, the time set by the moderators will finally mark 10 points, and the slowest time will mark 1 point. The best submitted time will always receive 100 points. Now a line is drawn from 100 points to 10 points and from 10 points to 1 point if 1 point exists, like in this example. One more thing, the second best time is capped at 80 points, so we need to check how many points the second best time would get. Once again, there are two possibilities. One, the second best time gets exactly 80 points or less without any more changes. In this case, we are done and every runner gets his points according to this visualization. On this note, all point values are rounded down to natural numbers. In this case, 72.6 becomes 72. 2. The second best submitted time would get more than 80 points. In this case, the points are set to exactly 80. In addition, the line from 100 points to 10 points gets erased and a new line is drawn from 80 points to 10 points. Now we are done and every runner gets their points according to this visualization. And this was the entire rule set for the Wii Series League 2021. At this point I want to thank the entire Wii Series speedrunning moderator team and especially Commander for co-developing this idea. Thanks for watching and I hope I see you on the WSL leaderboard.